I'm Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website, julieblanner.com, where I share easy recipes, entertaining ideas, home decor, and more. Today, I'm sharing my oatmeal lace cookies. They are so incredibly amazing. If you love all things sweet and salty, chewy and crunchy, you're gonna love these cookies. They're called lace cookies because they spread out thin and little air pockets occur between the oats, which make them look like lace. They're perfectly stackable, which makes them easy to gift in cellophane bags for the holidays, which is one of the many reasons they're so incredibly popular. I hope you love them as much as we do. Let's get started. So first we're going to brown the butter. Now, you notice that I do this in a lot of my recipes, and that's because it gives everything such amazing flavor. I brown butter in a lot of my baking recipes and actually a lot of my savory recipes as well. Brown butter has that kind of nutty aroma and flavor, and it just is richer and deeper. That's what makes these oatmeal lace cookies better than the rest. To brown the butter, we're going to put the butter over medium, and as it melts, you can just leave it be. And once it's completely melted, we're just gonna swirl it, not stir it, until it completely browns and has that nutty aroma. And then you're gonna remove it from heat, and that way it doesn't burn. We don't want burned butter, we just want brown butter to really bring out the flavor. Now that our butter has the most amazing nutty aroma, I mean, it smells incredible in here, we're gonna go ahead and mix up our cookies. I always like to put in the brown sugar first. And we're going to blend our brown butter in with the brown sugar. And you can see it's really foamy on top and brown in color. And this is where the magic happens. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this together. We'll add our vanilla. I always use my homemade vanilla, and I'll link to that in the description below. And our egg. Now it's important we don't add our egg before the hot butter because we never want to fry an egg in a baking dish. You can see it's rich in color as well. Now we're going to blend in our oats. And oats are actually gluten-free. If you have someone with celiac, you'll want to use specific oats that are made in a totally separate facility. But oats are gluten-free, and you can make this recipe gluten-free using rice flour. But we're using all-purpose flour here today, just a little touch of it, and then some salt, because I love all things sweet and salty. And now that we have our mixture, we're gonna drop them onto a cookie sheet using a cookie scoop. That makes it quick, easy, fuss-free, and then they're all the same exact size. Okay, so now we're gonna drop these onto our cookie sheet. We wanna leave plenty of room for them to spread. I'm using a standard size cookie scoop because I really love these large, amazing cookies. But if you want to make them smaller, you can use a small cookie scoop. It's completely up to you. You'll just need to adjust the bake time. You can see how they're already spreading, which is exactly what you want in lace cookies. Now we're going to bake these at 375 for about 6 minutes. As always, you can receive the full printable recipe at julieblanner.com, or you can simply look in the description below and I have it there as well. I hope you enjoy these lace cookies as much as we do. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.